Our newscast tonight with your 17 follow-up file. It has been almost a year now since little 8-year-old Genesis Mata's body was found in a bathtub at a cheap motel in Bakersfield. Almost a year since her father and stepmother were charged with her abuse, torture, and murder. And almost a year since the Board of Supervisors voted for an independent investigation of Child Protective Services here in Kern County. That investigation is now complete. 17's Connor Dorr joining us in studio now with the findings released late this afternoon. Connor?
Jim, the report's executive summary on page 3 of the 32-page report in big, bold letters state Kern County's child welfare services outcomes and performance are on par with statewide and national average performance. The report says there were no, quote, substantial systemic failures in the Department of Human Services child welfare's mandate. Let's dive in. 11 months of research, including interviews with 55 people, 16 focus groups with over 100 county staff and nonprofits representing multiple departments across the child welfare services system, community cafes, and case reviews. The major finding is problems with staffing. The report says DHS has made multiple efforts to increase salaries and staffing, address vacancies, and caseload sizes. However, some of the investment was offset by an influx of new cases and several staffing areas still require attention. The report says many youth in the system said they had unmet basic emotional and developmental needs, including barriers to access mental health services. Families and community members reported poor communication, inadequate training, and systemic inefficiencies. Quote, some youth indicated their calls to their social workers were not returned timely or ever, end quote. The report says that supervisors and staff feel unsupported with fears of retaliation, discouraging open dialogue. The report recommends to build workforce capacity, strengthen social work practice, and strengthen family engagement and well-being. The Board of Supervisors are set to hear the findings of the investigation on Tuesday. In studio, Connor Dorr, 17 News.